Welcome back to another episode of CastWithUs. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to spool your reel on your own so nobody else has to help you, or it's not just rolling around on the ground everywhere. This is the best way to do it on your own, and I'm going to show you right now. So all you're going to need is your line, obviously, your rod, and just any plain old bucket that can hold some water in it. So all you're going to do is take your line right now. You're going to put it through all the eyes on your reel or your pole. Don't forget to flip the bail. You don't want to make that mistake. I've done it plenty of times before. And then you're going to cut the line. You can tie whatever kind of knot you want there. I just tie a simple regular knot. So now you grab your bucket, turn the hose on, we're about to fill this bad boy up. You don't have to fill the bucket up all the way. You're only gonna have to fill it up about maybe 3-4 inches, and that should work. So now that we have our bucket of water filled up, you're just gonna take your line and you're literally just gonna plop it into the bucket. If you want to come look at it, it's just going to be spinning like that in the water the whole time, and it gives it perfect tension onto your line, making the line actually really tight on your reel. You never have to worry about the line getting loose at all. So you literally just do this the whole entire time until you want to stop reeling up more line. You don't have to do this in the bucket. You can do it in the lake. I've plopped it just in the lake. It works perfectly fine. It stays right in front of you. But if you want to do it at home, the bucket is the perfect way to do it. Thank you guys for watching another episode of CastWithUs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, just leave them down below. And if you guys already don't follow our Instagram, it's at CastWithUs. And we give daily fishing tips, show everybody on the page what they use to catch that fish. So if you guys already don't follow us, go follow us and we will feature you as soon as we get to your message. So thank you guys for watching another episode of CastWithUs, and we'll catch you on the next one.